everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm getting a little bit out of my comfort zone, a lot out of my comfort zone with this lip, but listen, when I tell you that like as soon as I put this lip on, I just feel like I can just do anything. Anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to do a video pretty much just showcasing this really beautiful hot pink, perfect for spring, summer lip. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. I literally just got done filming this haul video and it will be up by the time this video is up. So if you haven't checked it out already, I will link it in the description box for you and probably in one of those little card things that, you know, pop out. But I was literally so excited to go ahead and start recording this video because of one lip product had me shook. And I was like, I need to just go ahead and start recording. Like, let me just get all my stuff together because I really wanted to use it like right away. So yeah, I just primed my face using the Milani Prime Shield Primer. And now I'm going to use the Sephora Make No Mistake Foundation and Concealer Stick. And I purchased this in the shade Cedar. So I don't even know if I would say this is medium coverage. I feel like it's pretty sheer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply another layer because I can still see a lot of my skin, like a lot. And then I'm going to try to blend it out with a brush and see if I get a little bit more coverage with a brush rather than a sponge. Because so far, I mean, like medium coverage I'm good with. Sheer, I am not. My skin is just not where I want it to be to where I can use sheer coverage foundations. That it just is what it is. I would say that this foundation is definitely buildable because this is my second layer and I'm seeing a definite improvement. I really like the color. I feel like the color is pretty spot on. Like I'm blending it down into my neck and I can't even see a difference. Okay, so I think that's the best we're gonna get with this foundation. It is very lightweight, so I feel like, hello? So I feel like it is very good for the summer because, you know, you don't want anything too heavy on your face, especially during the hot summer months, especially down here in Florida, like shit gets real. So yeah, I feel like it's okay. I definitely would think that now with 2 layers, it is medium because like I can still see this dark spot here and I have a little bit of spots over here, but they're not as predominant as they were after that first layer. Because that first layer, let me tell you, I get a little bit more coverage out of my tinted moisturizer with the first layer than I did with this. So yeah, I definitely think that it is buildable, but I feel like 2 layers is good and that's pretty much all you're gonna get out of this. I'm gonna go with a little bit brighter concealer today. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I only used this once before. Like, I don't know, I feel like I wanna like it so much more than I did that first time.
So I'm just gonna try it again.
I feel like I don't like that packaging because I hate that like sound, like oh, it just creeps me out. Like I hate that. So yeah, I'm definitely not really a fan of that concealer. I don't know, I really wanted to like you. I really did. Like I really wanted to like you because everybody else likes you, but you know, just because it's for everybody else don't mean it's for you. Whatever, I'm done. I kind of want to add just a little bit more just because like I have serious bags under my eyes, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'm in like a really talkative mood today. Just gonna add just a little bit, just that much. We're getting somewhere, we're getting somewhere. Looks a little bit better because I have a little bit more coverage where I want it to, just like right here underneath my eyes. Oh, so I kind of want to talk about this wig because I really like it. I just wish it was like a lighter color. I wasn't ready for jet black just yet because it is, you know, like really dark. And I mean, I have darker brown hair, but there's such a difference between like dark brown and black. Like I remember the first time I dyed my hair black, I was like, like, oh my God, it's so dark. But yeah, anyway. Oh, I just spilled it. I just spilled it. Damn. So yeah, anyway, so about this wig, we're just gonna move on. Just move on. I actually bought it on Amazon and I was kind of nervous I have been looking at wigs on Amazon for a long ass time. And I would see different wigs and I'm like, oh my God, but I'm just nervous, you know, like I don't want them to look like shit. So this was the first one that I purchased and the only one so far, but I'm definitely, you know, have been eyeing a couple other ones that I want. And this is just like a synthetic hair wig. So like I can't dye it and it will take heat up to a certain extent. It's just, I mean, it's not human hair. So like you get what you get. But listen, it was like $42 and I like it. When I first got it, it was like 24 inches. So it was long as hell. It looked like a witch's wig because it was just long, one layer. And I'm not a hairstylist by any means, but I cut it and gave it like a little bit of layers just so it was like choppy. So it kind of resembled my hairstyle-ish. But I mean, obviously my curls are way tighter than this. But yeah, after I cut it, I really like it. It's super easy to put on. The only thing that I found super weird about this wig was that it came with a widow's peak. And I was like, what? Why would you make a wig with a widow's peak? Like, I mean, it's not a big deal, just cut it off. But I mean, I just thought that was real odd because I had never seen that before. All right, so now I'm just going to set the rest of my face with this Sephora Micro Smooth powder and I'm so excited to use. I'm gonna use a fluffier brush. But yeah, did I even finish talking about the wig? I don't know, y'all. Like, I'm so scatterbrained today. It's like insane. But I really like it. And it's soft. And I don't feel like it's too shiny where it looks really like wiggy, you know? Because that's not cute. Like, granted, I know this isn't my natural hair. And I know people are probably going to be like, no, that might not be her natural hair. But like, I don't want it to look like I just slapped a wig on. I was happy that it's not like shedding like crazy. I mean, it's something that I like expected because it is synthetic, but it wasn't too bad. It was more so like after I cut it, obviously, but now, you know, it's been a while. I've had this wig for actually like 2 or 3 weeks, I think. And I was just like, you know, I'm gonna finally wear it outside today. So yeah, I just used the my Sephora bronzer to bronze my face a little bit. You know, I went to Zaxby's today and I got this peach fizzer. It's really good. It's like, I don't want to say peach soda because I don't really like peach soda, but it's like, it's not as peachy as peach soda. Like, what's that stuff? Like Faygo? Ugh, God, I can't deal with that. But that stuff is good. I like it. So yeah, in my little haul video that I did, I purchased this Stila, what is this? Perfect Me, Perfect Hue eye and cheek palette. And I'm just gonna use it today and, you know, whatever. I'm not gonna do nothing crazy. Y'all, I really need to clean my brushes. It's kind of disgusting. See, I'm just kind of going all over my lid with the shade Imaginative, which is, let me show you, it's just this shade right here. Just like a nice like coral shade. So if you live in Florida, you know that people call Florida the bipolar state when it comes to weather. Well, we have this like subtropical storm brewing. Well, not brewing, I guess it's already here, but it's been in like the Caribbean. And it was raining, cloudy, like dark skies pretty much half the day. And then up until like maybe 2 hours ago, I walked outside and it's like bright blue skies, sunny, the wind is blowing. I'm just like, okay, but I bet you in about 2 hours is when I have to leave the house again. It's gonna be back to like torrential downpours, which is fine because, like, you know, the sun is not my friend lately. I don't know what's wrong, but like, I'm just here for a cloudy day. Like, Give me the clouds and some rain and I'm good. So I'm gonna take this little e.l.f. brush and I'm gonna go back in with that color. Actually, I think I'm gonna use this blush color too. I'm gonna see if I can mix the two. Just see if I can get a little bit more pinky. There we go. That's cute. Just a little bit. A little bit of pink eyeshadow never hurt nobody.
I don't know.
They do have this nice, like, let me swatch it. Oh yeah, I think that's too dark. Let me see. Yeah, they have that color, but I think it's a little bit too dark for what I'm going for. I'm trying to keep everything really light and airy. So I'm not gonna use that. Let me see. Do I want to put a shimmer on my lid or no? Yeah, let's do it. Let's fucking do it. This is actually the shade that they said is like a highlight shade in this palette, and it's the shade Brilliant. Going to, I'm just gonna, can I spray with my left hand? Feels really awkward. Whatever, we're just gonna move on. I'm gonna move on to the other eye. I don't know if I ever said this in any previous video. I am not an expert when it comes to eyeshadow. Definitely not. I mean, probably goes without saying because some of you are probably like, what is she doing? I just do what I like, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, and it's just makeup. Like, I don't really take this shit too seriously because at the end of the day, like, I wash it off and I go to bed. I just enjoy makeup. I just wanted to, I guess, give that like disclaimer. Like, I'm not out here trying to say like I'm the best or I'm like some pro, because honestly, like, I just learn as I go, and you know, sometimes shit works out and sometimes it doesn't. I feel like this palette would be good for traveling because it's compact. It has a full, like, the entire, this whole part right here on the inside is a mirror. So it's not like this little jank mirror. It's a nice mirror. And you can create like a few looks with this because it comes with blush and it has a highlight, but you can use them all for eyeshadow. And it even has like this black shade right here that you can use as a liner. All right, so I think I'm done with the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara. I'm gonna fill in my brows just a little bit, and yeah, then we'll move on to the face. Okay, so my battery died. Things fell, like, but we're back. All right, and for blush, I'm going to use the Stila Sunrise Splendor Convertible Color Dual Lip and Cheek Palette. I'm just gonna take it like on a sponge, and I just did like one little dab, and I know my sponge is dirty, please. Sorry, but like I'm just gonna take one little dab and then like, oh no, it's too, I don't know, hold on, let me not speak too soon. Just gonna work it in. It's very pink. The color, I mean, is not that bad. It's not great, but I wanted something kind of subtle because we're going with a bold lip and I just didn't want it to be too crazy. So I guess it's not that bad. It's just not typically what I would go for. Okay, so now for highlight, I'm gonna use the First Aid Beauty Face Radiance Illuminizing Moisturizer. I have to sneeze. And I think it's so cool. It's like got this little brush. It's so cute. And I'm going to use my sponge. I don't know what I was gonna call it. All right. Oh no, it's pretty subtle. It's not like blinding or anything. I don't want to try it with this brush because it says that you can use this brush to apply it directly to your face. I feel like I would only do that if I wasn't wearing makeup. It's really subtle. So, I mean, it's okay. Let me just put, I feel like this would be like a good, I'm just gonna put it on my forehead, fuck it. Because it looks nice. It's like a nice, like a natural, like those people who do like the no makeup looks, like this is, I think, perfect for that because it is subtle and it will look really natural. But as far as like, would I use this if I'm actually like beating my face? No, because it's way too sheer. It's not blinding, and I don't even think that it is buildable just because of the consistency of it. But for today, like we're going, you know, for simplicity, a little bit softer. I feel like it looks really nice. So yeah, I like it. And I would try this under my foundation. Maybe I'll do that next time because I thought this was good. And it was only 10 bucks, so I like it. All right, so I feel like we are done with the face. The only thing that I'm not really happy with is this Stila cheek thing, but I feel like, I don't know, maybe it was my fault because I used a sponge to apply that highlighter and I used a sponge to apply the blush. I just feel like the sponge kind of picked up the blush. It feels really sticky. I don't know how you would use that on your cheeks. Like I feel like it would work more for your lips because I feel like now my blush is kind of gone. But you know what, it's okay, we're gonna just keep going. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with the Milani Easy Liner, and this is in the shade Most Natural. Got a little carried away with the liner, but that's okay. And now, the star of the show, I'm going to be using the, I get like so excited when I see this color. It's so freaking bright. But this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the color Rio. Oh my god. When I tell you this is so out of my comfort zone, it's so out of my comfort zone. Like, I don't ever use colors like this. Oh, I really like this color. I really like it. It's different and it's hard to like look at myself in it right now. I really like the way this looks. It's different. It's definitely different, but I really like it. I really like it. I feel like I need some more highlight though. All right, so I think we are done. I'm gonna go ahead and fix my hair and then I will be right back. All right, everybody, that is it for this look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry that I was a little bit all over the place, but I was just really excited. Please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. Share this video. And yeah, I feel so like springy. Like, I don't know, I'm about to go take some pictures, flex on Instagram a little bit. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.